How to split 2.4G and 5G on Bell Home Hub. So we're showing this image just because this is the first part on what you're gonna need to do. So first of all, you're gonna have to connect to your Bell Wi-Fi and then open up a browser and type this in on the search bar: 192.168.2.1. And then it should just bring you to something like this, like the admin page of Bell or the Home Hub. So it's gonna look like this over here, but you're gonna have to log in using the password and login credentials that is going to be found at the back of your router. So if you see your router, you should be able to see the login details, and then you're gonna have to use that because most likely it's going to be the default login details in order to get into your Bell homepage or admin page. Now what you're gonna do now is to go ahead here in the manage your Wi-Fi section or manage my Wi-Fi. It's gonna look something like this. So whatever you see over here, it's gonna look something like this or something similar to this. So press on manage my Wi-Fi and then find this whole home Wi-Fi or the advanced settings. But what you're trying to find right now is the whole home Wi-Fi option. We're gonna go ahead and try turning this off, or yes, actually turning it off. And then go ahead to advanced settings. If you don't see it here in your advanced settings, you should be able to find the whole home Wi-Fi. Make sure you toggle this off, so make sure the status is off and everything, and then press on save. What you're gonna do now is to go back to advanced settings and find this, which is keep a common network name. So combine 2.4 and 5 networks into one Wi-Fi name. Make sure this is toggled off like so it will split into two technically. So what you're gonna do after that is to pretty much just change the names of both networks, since now it's not in the same name. Just go ahead and put in the name for the 2.4G and the 5G. So whatever you see here in this video right now is going to be similar on what you're about to do to your home admin page for your Bell. But that's pretty much how you can do this, pretty similar to this. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.